Hey guys, welcome back to Cow Kids TV. Hope you guys are all well. Cow Kids TV, Cow Kids TV, Cow Kids TV. We know it's been a while, guys, but we're so excited for this video because Ramadan is coming up next month. We're gonna have lots of Ramadan videos. Are you excited for our videos? We're going to show you so many Ramadan activities too. Like this calendar that I made for Ramadan. It has the days of the week on it, Monday to Friday. And I'm going to write what activities I learned for Ramadan. And I'm going to put the number of the date that's there. See you guys soon. Bye. Cow Kids TV, Cow Kids TV.